Now, we recommend cleaning your lift or lift extra boiler once a month, okay, or every 10 hours of use, whatever comes first. So take it over to your kitchen sink or your laundry sink. Firstly, take out the water bottle, whoops, and tip out the water. Just hold the cartridge when you tip out the water so the cartridge doesn't fall out. So tip out your plain water. And when it's cold, okay, don't try and do this when it's hot because the boiler will be boiling hot, the water will be hot, so it has to be 100% cold. So sit it over the sink. The little drain plug, it's covered by this rubber, okay, to prevent you from burning yourself. Remove that. Use a 10-cent coin or a flathead screwdriver. Just unscrew that. Okay, I'm trying to do it left-handed. I'm not really left-handed. More for the camera. Whoop, let that go into your sink and then tip it on its side and let all the dirty water come out. This one's still a little bit hot. Shouldn't be doing it when it's hot. Just do it when it's cold, okay? And that way it's much easier. You won't scorch yourself or burn. This needs to be done once a month or every 10 hours of use to prevent any calcium buildup inside the boiler. Remember, the boiler's stainless steel, so you won't get any rust, but you will get calcium buildup if you don't take this dirty water out. So once a month or every 10 hours of use is all you need to do. Once you've flushed it, then just put the screw back on. Okay, all the water, it takes a little bit of time for that water to come out. All right, now that you've removed all the water, time to put the drain plug back on. Make sure the integrity of the little washer in there, if you can see that, the little washer, just make sure that's fully intact. If there's an issue with it, give us a call, we'll send you some freebies, okay? Put that back on, just screw it on gently, and don't cross thread it. Well, it's pretty easy to put on, and then tighten it up with a 10-cent coin or a flathead screwdriver until you feel it grabbing. You don't have to go crazy and tighten it super tight. Just tighten it there, put the cap back on, and then to restart your machine from scratch, fill this up with fresh water, leave the filter cartridge installed, fill it just above the filter cartridge, and you're back in business for another month.